Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, we're trying out our new phone. We're going out to our property because we have to load up chickens. Tomorrow is their one bad day. They've had
Yeah. What, Daisy?
I can go in there, Mom. Do you want me to?
Or I can.
Mom, do you want me to go in there?
Alright, do it.
Are you sure?
So will we be able to lift this?
Well, we can sure just drag it.
Chickens.
Wow, it's a long train.
Got our coffee on our way to pick up our meat birds.
Yep.
We dropped off yesterday, so they should all be.
Which they were highly efficient.
I've not been to this place.
And very professional compared to the other place. The other place was like backwoods. You bring the guy a whiskey and
That was a true story. We actually did bring the guy a whiskey. So.
No, there's our stuff from the waster.
Yeah. Up our chickens, and they're already frozen. How very, very nice. So we got 33. They're pretty big too. Well, we're on our way home. These are the dates that we do now that we have a 1-year-old. Pick up chickens. We had coffee. I'm just so happy that the chickens are already frozen because that was a big panic to me.
Yeah.
Of how to get that many. We got 33.
There's so much. This place is so much better.
Well, remember the other guy said that he got mad at his ex-girlfriend and put a bunch of chicken feet on her windshield?
Yeah.
Yeah, they wouldn't have done that here.
No.
Alright, we've done a bunch of errands and we got hungry, so we're having green olives for lunch. Snack, lunch. Alright, time to go home for naps.
Catching a lot, Jack.
No.
We caught a motor.
Yeah, I did.
But it's beautiful out here, so that's nice. We're going backwards so that it's just easier to fish this way. Howdy, how are you doing? I'm scared of dropping my phone. I'm keeping it over the boat just so I don't drop it. That would really stink. Day one. Kabloop.